like fresh, salty foam of deep blue ocean. She breathes, smoldering the brave, bright sun. Heat engulfing all her body. Skin smooth in gorgeous blaze. Glowing beautiful and lovely above her fiery rose. From miles up high, gazing her shadow so bright, invading her private moments with nature, her time of love. She descended from the clouds, flavoring from her rising lust. Soaring nurtures her presence in front of you. From the house of stalwart young biologists, presenting Electro, the blue dragon of the sea. As her mournful form rents her true dragon form, her head articulated a heavy headdress made up from old cardboard pieces with a blend of recycled metallic foil and heavy blue paint. Chained to destruction, her broken nature scaled toward the shoulder armor to protect her from aerial attack, thereby made up of huge barbers and wasted eggshells, glittered with jason blue color with a touch of yellow, protecting her slender femininity. The harness of her scales emitted a breast armor made up of recycled cardboard with the breeze of ocean blue color blended with the fiery yellow color. Behold, to abide by her splendid supremacy, the very primal of her scales escaped her lower apex to protect her from any terrestrial attack. Chiefly made of old cardboard foils with a combination of the strength of ocean blue touch with nutty white color, expanded with virulent scales, which is made up of plastic bottle tops touched with silver yellow complexion, which on the later arm serves as her primary armlet to hold the source of her power. With her powerful Draco staff, symbolized with a crescent moon to honor the chronology of her arrival, composed of her power of the ancient trees and olden blush of the silver foil. She turns to be one of the most fearsome predators that existed from this moment on, leaving you the horror of her blade with the knees trembling of terror.